Watching the rain in Perth, Western Australia. I don't mind the rain. I actually find it actually quite relaxing. And it's not so cold when you've got the rain. So I believe it's raining in Thailand as well. It's probably it'll be much heavier than this. You can see the water flow down the street. But the weather's getting really, really cold. So I can't wait to get out of here. Arrive in Pattaya on Thursday and I'll stay there the Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Maybe go up to Nongbor on the Sunday or the Monday. I'm not really sure at the moment. And we'll get into reorganising everything. Making my militaria room, making my antiques room, getting more stuff ready for Collingborns. I'll see how I feel. I might go into Collingborns on Friday the 22nd and submit some auction lots, some nice high-end stuff. So anyway, signing out.